So you clicked on this video because you're wanting to use a VEO3 for free instead of paying $250 a month, which is, in my opinion, very expensive. So I'm going to show you a very unethical way to use VEO3 and get 10 to 50 videos free per month. Now, I'm not going to take 20 minutes to explain what to do. This will be like a 5-minute video. But there is some very important things that you need to be aware of. There's a lot of people, and I've watched maybe 20 different videos, and they're all teaching you how to get this for free, but they're not actually telling you, and they're not being honest because they want clicks. Whereas I'm going to be honest with you because you need a certain thing to make this work, okay? So I'll be going over everything as quickly as possible. So at the end of this video, you can make a decision whether you still want to do it or not, okay? So firstly, is VEO3 worth it? Absolutely. It's quite expensive, and that's why people are wanting it for free. But you can make a lot of money on social media. So you've probably seen these guerrilla videos. They're everywhere online. But as you know, if you're on TikTok, Facebook bonus program, even YouTube, you can make thousands and thousands of dollars. So some of these videos that I've seen, people using VEO3 on these videos, they're getting like 10, 20, 30 million views. So on their videos, so they're making, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per video, which is crazy. So what you need to be doing, firstly, you go to Google. You want to go here. So it says Google Apps, click on that. You scroll down where it says Google One. Now on the left-hand side, you see Google AI. You click on that. Now, this is what most people do. This is what I did about 2 months ago when I was testing it. So instead of doing this, I want you to go on Google and you're going to type in Google AI Pro is free for students, okay? Or what I did, Gemini student free upgrade. So you want to click on this. Now, this is very unethical. I don't recommend it, but there's a lot of people that are teaching it. So I'm going to show you what to do, but I don't want you to do it. So university students get free upgrade of Gemini for 15 months. So you got 4 days, okay. And you need to be in the USA, I believe. Okay, so you click on this, get offer. Now, I live in Australia, so it's not going to work. So this is why, and a lot of people won't tell you, you need a VPN. So if you've got a VPN, you need to set it to the USA, okay? New York, Chicago, set it to anywhere in the USA, yeah? This will work in the USA. So I've used ExpressVPN before. There's people that are using NordVPN. Now, I'm not going to tell you what VPN to use. What VPN is it basically hides your IP address, and people use a VPN to be hidden. You can also use VPN to watch Netflix. So I'm in Australia. I can use a VPN and watch Netflix from the USA or India if they have it in India or whatever. So VPNs are very, very handy. However, they do cost a bit of money. So what I highly suggest, if you are doing this and if you don't have a VPN, get one with a free trial and then cancel your VPN, yeah? So after you've got the VPN, okay, and I'm not going to tell you which one, but you decide. You then want to go to a website called Tempu Mail. So that's temporary, mail. So what you want to do is you want to put in a username. So I'm just going to put in a fake username here. So Mike Hunt, and we're going to click on create. Now, this is my email address now. So what I do is I copy this. So I copy that. I go into this. Now, what happens is this doesn't work if you're not in the USA, but it will work if you are in the USA. So what you do is you want to go to what I said to click on before. University students get blah, 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 blah. You get offer. Now something's going to pop up. So if I'm in the USA or I'm using a VPN, you're going to put in your edu email. You simply copy this and you put it in the email field here, and you hit enter. Now it's going to send an email with a verification code from Google. What you do is you hit refresh, and it's going to tell you what the email is from Google. So, and obviously I don't have it because I'm not in the USA and I'm not using a VPN. But you hit refresh, and then it's going to show you the email from Gemini. Then what you do is you copy the special password from Google. You go back into Gemini and you copy and paste your password. Now, after this, it's only going to work if you have an American or a USA address. So what you do is you go to fakenamegenerator.com, you type in male, American, United States, and you click on generate. It's going to give you a fake name, but how to pay for this is it's going to want, so you can put your real name and your real date of birth, but it needs an American address. Once you've done that, you will simply put in your credit card details. You can put in your own credit card details, and it won't charge you for 15 months, okay? That is how easy it is to get this free for 15 months. Now, again, what people don't tell you is you need a VPN to make this work. I've used ExpressVPN in the past, but there's a lot of different ones. NordVPN is very good as well. Get one that's free for 30 days. Try it out. Get the account on Gemini, and once you've got the account, then cancel your VPN. So I'm just going to leave this video here. It's very, very easy. Any questions, feel free to comment on the YouTube video and I'll get back to you. Very, very easy. I'm not going to take 20 minutes to explain something that takes 5 minutes. Let me know how you go. See you in the next video.